Hello and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your Active Directory contacts right inside Yak Chat. To get started, open the Yak Chat app and head over to the Contacts window. You can find it by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting Contacts. Once you're there, click on the Directory tab. This is where all your directory contacts will appear. Need to find someone quickly? Just type their name into the search bar and they'll pop right up. If you want to send a message to a directory contact, simply select their name and click Message in the right-hand panel. You can also add a directory contact directly into a conversation. To do that, return to the chat window using the drop-down menu, start a new message by clicking the plus icon, and then hit the Add Contact button. From there, go to the Directory tab and select who you want to include. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.